Hey y'all, I'm starting this like video off ghetto. Like I ain't gonna lie, like this is a bad intro, but I'm driving. What the fuck? Y'all crooked. I need a new like tripod thing, cause this shit is not sticking. This shit is whack. Anyway, I'm driving, and I said let me just start a video. So that's what we're doing. At least I'm on here and my hair's done. I did it yesterday by myself. Yeah, this shit, I need to buy me a new one. So we're gonna go to Five Below and get a new one of a different kind because this shit is trash. Like, it keeps falling. I don't have time for this. Okay. This is federal because I don't need y'all know where I'm driving. Anyway, I'm going to Hunts Point. No, I'm not going there to sell nothing. Oh my fucking God. Somebody don't want me to vlog. That's why the camera keep falling. But I'm a vlog. I'm a vlog because I need to post something on my channel. So this is what y'all gonna get. It's not gonna be long or nothing because I ain't got time for that. But yeah, kids is in daycare. I'm free, y'all. I'm free. Like, it feels so good to be driving in the car. What the fuck? Why is this not sticky on the window? And I don't like that because the last one left a little circle ring, sticky ring on my window. So I don't like that. And I'm finna get, I mean, this is cute though. But y'all see my whole background. Y'all see where I'm driving like y'all in my business. But anyway, like I was saying, I'm going to Hunts Point or Southern Boulevard, whatever y'all hoes want to call it. And I need to just get a few little things. I really don't want to go that far for real. How the traffic police telling me to stop? It's a green light. Wow. But anyways, yeah. Shit keep falling. So I see y'all when I buy a new one. When we get to the Five Below, something below. Because now I'm getting mad for real. I should have went to Bay Plaza. That's my shit. Or Cross County, something. But Cross County don't have Five Below. And I love Spider-Man. But this is not my size. That's for my son. And he doesn't need Spider-Man shirt. He got a lot. Yeah, I didn't find no necklace. I didn't find none of that. Five Below, I got my stand for my phone. Y'all can't see it because y'all on it, but yeah, I don't know what I'm doing in this vlog, bitch. It's just a vlog, like, at this point, like. But I bought this from Five Below because I need this to connect the camera to the laptop when we upload, because we be using my MacBook charger to upload, and if the MacBook died, then we need to try to upload the video and plug the MacBook. It's just too much. So the MacBook charger is going to be for the MacBook, and this is going to be to send out videos from my camera to my laptop. So I got this. It's really, really cute. The sun is like blowing on it, but I guess this side it look pinkish, orange, cute. And then I bought this. They're hooks to put on the car so I can hang my purse up. So let's see how it's looking. It's pink. They have pink and blue. I'm gonna pick pink every time, baby. So we're gonna put this on there and see how they look. How it's looking. So I'm gonna put this like this. Let's move the camera. We're gonna put and then you put your little purse. Hang it up! Ow! Even though I'm not really liking. I want to hook my car up, y'all. I want to hook my car up. Let me put one behind my chair. Like boop. And that's that. That's on 3 things I bought. So I didn't really spend no money, which I'm glad, because this be for real, I'm broke. All right, but yeah, we about to go to my mother. She has to go see an apartment. If y'all know my mother, she gonna move every time. Okay, if y'all hear all that noise in the back, that's my AC, because New York heat is really dirty for real. Like, it's bad hot. I want to go to the pool before the kids get out of daycare, have some me time, so I might do that, because it's only 10 o'clock. It's 10:32 in the morning. My mom gonna see this apartment at 12 o'clock. I'm gonna see if I show y'all a little bit of the apartment, or maybe not, because that's her business. That's not my business. She begging. She talking about come get her. Like, you got gas money? Anyways. Oh yeah, I left Hunts Point. Yeah, I didn't buy nothing at Hunts Point. I came to Bay Plaza. I'm over here driving illegal. Nah, like, no, I got my driver's license, but I'm just saying, I'm just driving around the parking lot all willy-nilly, like I'm wilding out here. But yeah, did I have breakfast? I had a BLT. It was not bussing. It was not bussing. But now I want coffee from Dunkin'. I'm waiting till I get my mother. But yeah, I mean, since we here, oh, my father calling me. He better not say he want to go to the beach tonight right now, because I ain't got time to be playing with him. I need to answer him. Hold on, y'all. All right, I'm back, y'all. That was my dad. I don't want to show too much of the background and stuff, because y'all need to be knowing where I be going in these streets for real. But I need a car wash. The kids' stuff is taking over my car. At this point, this is their car, not mine. But since we driving, and we could talk for a little bit, like, this summer, like, I'm on my little vacation, or however you want to call it, for work. I'm ready to go back to work and make some money. Like, I'm getting money, but I'm not getting money. But I want to go back to work and make the money I was making, okay? And summertime, boo, it's boring. It's boring. I don't chill with nobody. Like, my friend Lola, she moved to Connecticut. Like, I'm not finna drive there every time. Like, here and there, yeah. But I'm going to go see her in September. But other than that, And then, you know, I'm cool with other people. I got other friends, but I don't know. Like, when people piss me off, or let me not say piss me off. I don't want to say it like that. But when I feel vibes and stuff, I just distance myself from people. And I'd rather be by myself. I don't be trusting nobody. Everybody. I don't like people that move funny when I'm not around, or like, I don't know. But I've been getting better. I've been like having conversations with people, figuring shit out, and leaving it where it need to be left. We either cool or we not cool, and I'm fine with that because I never used to be nobody's friend, and all these hoes know. So, but yeah. Anyways, this summer I ain't really do nothing. I went to the pool one time. Like, if I go today, I'm probably gonna go by myself because everybody's busy. Everybody gotta go to work. Like, bitch, work in the winter time and save your vacation for summer. Be for real. But I ain't do nothing yet. Like, I'm planning on this weekend probably going somewhere with the kids, taking them out to go on some rides or something. I don't know. But summer's almost over. I'm about to go back to work in like 2 weeks or something like that. And I'm ready, to be honest, because I ain't doing shit for real. But going outside, spending money that I don't need to be spending. Like, come on now. But I don't know. I'm over it. Like, I'm ready to school to start or whatever, because summer's just here for what? Nothing at all. So, waste of time. But yeah, that was just a little talky talk, I guess. I'm ranting and shit because I ain't got nothing better to do. But yeah, summer ain't shit. Everybody ain't shit. Everybody boring. And I know everybody could be like, oh, you can meet new people, and bitch, I ain't got time to meet new people, bitch. If the kids wasn't in daycare, I'll be with them. Those my besties. We go everywhere together. I don't be hanging out with nobody. I don't be trusting people. None of that. I don't want to meet new people because I don't trust people at all. So I don't want to meet new people, bitch. Like, I already got to deal with old people I know, and they be flip-flopping, bitch. I ain't got time to meet new people. Like, my anxiety start going up and shit. And I just be like, you know, I'm at deep by myself because I ain't got time for none of that drama and none of that. Like, I'm a real ass bitch. That's number one. I'll be the bitch hoe up. I'll be the hoe up for my friend, bitch. That's how I be feeling. Like, don't talk about none of my bitches when they not around, but you see me there, because then you gonna think she there, because then I'm gonna have to violate you. Like, I've been like that though since young. Like, I don't know. And I be liking that energy back my way. Love, everything that I would do for somebody, I would want somebody to do for me. And then when I don't see that, be it interpretive, like, not just like, you know, love, caring, all that other stuff. Like, whatever I do, I would like the same, my peoples to treat me the same way. And then when I don't see that, I just be like, bitch, bye. Nigga, bye, bitch, bye, everybody, bye. Like, no. But yeah, y'all like my hair? I did it myself yesterday, and I was like regretting it. I'm like, bitch, I'm tired, bitch. I don't want to do this no more. Like, but it's cute. I did my ones and twos on it. I didn't show y'all my outfit. I'm gonna put a picture of my outfit or whatever. I'm looking like Erica Badu, and then I'm not looking like Erica Badu. I'm looking like, I don't know who I'm looking like. I can't stop doing this to my hair. Let me stop. But yeah, I'm pick the camera back up when we get to the apartment she wants to see or whatever. Cause let me tell you, I'm about to go to my mother's house. Her house is hot, bitch. I don't like chilling with her no more. Her shit be hot. Like, AC done broke down, be shit. I be like, Mom, get a new one. Like, she be like, something about to be over, bitch. She got her fans and shit, bitch. The fan blowing hot as hell. So I gotta sit in my mom's house for like 2 minutes, and then I be like, my father thought I was going to the beach. That's my bestie right there, because we be outside. Me and my dad, one thing about us, we gonna spend money. Broke, rich, whatever, we gonna spend money. Yep. And we gonna plan anything, like, and do it though. We plan and do it. So he be like, yo, you wanna go here? I be like, say less. I'm coming. I call him, yo, Dad, let's go do this. He's with all my shenanigans, and he's gonna go with me. But today he's doing his own thing. with his peoples. So I'm by myself. My man is gotta go to work. He gotta go to work. And I'm not finna complain about that because, bitch, go to work. Make that money, nigga. No, I don't want to hang out with you. Go to work.
Y'all had in a fucking in the wall house.
We get some hibachi. Nah, I'm just playing. They do have hibachi in there, but we're gonna get some lunch. Ma, you got some. Oh, she doing a video. Oh, it smells good. Hi. No, we're gonna stay. Okay. I'm gonna show y'all my food when I get it. But we hungry. We're gonna eat as many times as we can because we hungry. I might tell them to do me egg fried rice over there.
Egg fried rice?
The hibachi you can make. Hey y'all, it's the next day. I was about to end the video yesterday, but I don't know. I'm changing my mind. I'm probably gonna do like a weekly vlog. The sun is like.
Hey guys.
Oh.
I'm Amari. Welcome to my and the subscribe and the bell notification.
I'm gonna take him to camp. I just dropped Raylan and Zaire off, but I'm getting my little bagel and coffee because it's my favorite. I'm getting like a Starbucks coffee from the store. So yeah, I don't know. It might be a weekly vlog or whatever. We'll see when it gets there. But today I'm hanging out with my father. Yesterday I was with my mom. Today I'm hanging out with my father. Yeah, I will see the antics of what we're gonna do later. I'm not gonna say too much because Amari's here and he's gonna be talking about it all day. We're going to Brooklyn. Don't play with it. And
Mommy, look at what you saying.
I'm really a Bronx baby, but we're gonna go to Brooklyn today.
What are you talking?
So yeah, I just wanted to update y'all. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. Well, 8:09. And
no, that's the wrong time.
It's not the wrong time. I fixed it. Well, I'm calling people. Oh my god, they're gonna be calling people.
Oh, you fixed it.
Yeah. It is 8:10. I can't hardly see, but yeah, it's 8:10.
It's 8:10.
And I got my hand pony Oni.
She has two phones. She has her own one on the camera. She has her own phone.
I got some like blue pants on or whatever. I'll show y'all. I'll try to show y'all the best way I can later.
Tell me your
good skin. Y'all always know I come with the good skin. The forehead is busting. Can I talk? The forehead is busting. Nose is busting. Nose is mad big. But we here. He missing teeth. But we still cute. So I need to go to the gas station after I drop him because I'm finna be pushing this car. I really need to turn it off for the gas to go down. Yeah.
Get gas.
No, ain't no we. You're about to get dropped off and then I'm gonna get gas.
What?
I'm gonna pop the roof. Yeah, it's a no roof day.
Why you can get the gas first and then me?
And we can open that mug. Look, oh, Transformers. Yeah.
Dang.
At the red light, twerking on them headlights. All right, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all on.
I'll see you on
when I see. Okay, y'all. I had the rooftop open, but the sun is burning on me. I ain't got time for that. But I'm on my way to get my dad, and we going to Coney Island, and it's gonna be. Hopefully it's a vibe. I got my bathing suit just in case. I don't have it on because I left it in my car. I be leaving it in my car just in case somebody say let's go swim. I'm gonna go swim. I want to go right in the water. Okay. Hold on. Don't be texting and driving, y'all. I'm telling you right now. I'm not texting. I'm trying to put the music on. Duh. But this is my song right now, y'all. Y'all gotta get in tune. My girl Ice be eating. Every time she be eating.
I'm a dancer Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in a deli. With my bitch got a daddy. He like, call me that B while he eating my honey. You know niggas love bitches with money.
I get a lot. Take a
on the spot. Block.
When I hit ice, I start. When I hit ice, I start moving like her. She be like.
She be going outside. She a baddie, she showing her panties. She shake it like jelly. Bitch getting daddy. He like him a wetty. He want the walk, but I just want the fatty. Free,
from the back, tryna beat her back down, bitch tryna ski, bitch turn around, come suck the meat, rough around, finna beat her till she.
Skin is looking good. My father got this mask on. It's hot, but we walking towards the beach. I'm hot. Yeah, I'm still recording. Paul's daughter. Nathan's, we need some glissies. Luna Park tickets. See, look, $75. What it say? Look, $75, $50. Bitch, please. Luna. I don't know. I never had no burger. You said it's good? I know I want some cheese fries. I never had any cheese fries. The music they playing is killing me. They got a milkshake. I just want some water or lemonade because I want to dehydrate it. The burger, I'm scared. In New York, you gotta wear slippers on the sand because you will get stabbed, bitch. Bottle caps and cigarettes and shit. This shit is ghetto. Daddy got the Griffies on. Something finna. You see? Hold on. You gotta be careful, as you might step on something you don't want to step on. New York beaches is wild dirty, so I'm letting y'all know right now. I should have put some sunblock on, crazy. No, I'm going to the water. Somebody doing back swimming in the ocean right now. And if the shark come, Jaws just came out. So but the lifeguard is there. I got the camera all in my face. I'm gonna be team dark skin by the time I leave. I ain't gonna lie. Oh shit, the seagulls is coming. The kids is making sand castles. Look at the Persiana with the Glockiana. No, it's not. Ooh, that's hot. I didn't put my bathing suit on, and I'm not.
Yo, what up, dude?
We get on a ride. We're looking for the Thunderbolt ride. Look at the kids, they riding. Yeah, I put my foot on the beach. Hold on. I put my feet in the water in the beach. Girl, somebody tissue almost ate my toe. It was a garbage bag in there. Never again. Never again. Okay, where we go? This way? They got us underground. Oh, it's scary. Ooh, I like scary shit.
Man, this shit look very
Peekaboo. I will ride this and my eyes gonna be closed the whole time. And I still like the ride. Cause I'm done looking at shit.
I'm coming in.
Oh, look at that. Stop the zombies. It's giving Call of Duty. Alright, what's this? Oh. No, it's alright. They got the bumper cars. If you don't know how to drive, this is the only place you can crash at.
I've been on this.
Astro Park. First of all, I feel like I would be claustrophobic sitting
I've been
in
in
that. It's only 3 people doing bumper cars. Coney Island, y'all need to get y'all clients up. But this is good because there won't be no line to get on the rides. Damn, we the only people.
What kind of bullshit is this?
Ah!
Oh, damn.
It's alright, come on. A tear's coming out my eyes. Bitch, I'm crying. Cause I almost threw up.
Yo.
When I say my head hurt, I got a headache. I'm about to throw up. I don't want to go on another ride. I'm about to take the ponytail out, braids is giving me a headache.
I gotta take a breather.
That you was feeling good?
I ain't been on this ride for a long time.
Yeah. I got a burp. All the kids is here on the ride. They about to get on the scary ride. They gangster. Bitch, I was scared. No, I was not scared. Let me stop capping. I was getting a headache. I was feeling like I'm about to throw up. Like we just ate. And that shit was shaking me.
Yo, we was having a ball.
But I'm glad we did that.
Yeah.
Give me my phone.
What about
Okay, y'all. This is the next day. Hold on. I got the
Let's say turn
GPS
left.
on. We don't need to turn left. We already here.
Are you really gonna
We with Pop Pop. And we're going to ride Playland. Hold on. Come hold Pop Pop here while we crossing. Y'all want to get my phone?
No.
Kids. Who's the best granddaddy in the world? Look at the fit. Oh, Pop Pop's looking drippy. He got the pink brim fitted. Don't play with him. Raylan got the red.
Look at me. I got the hair.
I'm out here ready up.
Look at me.
Kitty with the tootie.
Look at me.
Yeah, you look fly, bro.
I'm in school right now.
All right. We better go get these tickets and we're gonna let them have a good
Now
day.
you better stop
We left
with that water.
we left Zaire in daycare because he don't need to come. He can't get on nothing and I don't want to push no stroller around.
You ever that well?
So next time, you know,
Now when you turn bigger.
Rob, hopefully when he get a little older, Rob Playland's still here because it's been here since I was a kid.
Probably when I get older, he could.
Yeah, he gonna come back so he could do stuff. Don't leave Pop Pop. You mad fake gang.
I'm so.
We out here with the Percy's.
I'm gonna be so
We got the
scared.
bag so we can sneak the snacks in.
I'm gonna be so scared.
The police, fuck the police. And we here. I see y'all when we get inside.
Mom, we're gonna go.
Don't be scared, Raylan. Yay! Woo!
Hold the stick down, hold the stick down. Hold it down, hold it down.
No, yes, that's what you do. Raylan, just hold it. Don't do like this. Raylan, you focus.
Just to pull you up.
Hello, Your Highness. Hello, Your Majesty.
Oh, that is so
hello,
nice
Princess.
to see you.
Hello, Prince. Nice to meet your acquaintance. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Esteemed guest at Playland, how are we doing today? Well, now, when I was a fairy, I learned quite a few things, and one of them was my safe swords. Come. We have enough for everyone. No? Well, all right. So, all right. So, with our safe sword, we're going to hold our safe sword at our holster. Okay? And now I'm going to show you some of my favorite defense moves in case you find a really big giant cat in my case. All right, so first we're going to do is take our sword out. Ching! Just like that. 1, 2, 3, and ching! Perfect.
Oh, I love this ride.
I'm closing my eyes because I'm scared already.
Hey, how you doing there? Hey, you feeling good up there? Yeah!
Oh, hell no.
All right then.
You'll never get out alive.
Hey, how you doing?
We finished now. We did it. We did it. I have my eyes open this time.
Finally.
Ah, this feels so good.
No, it didn't feel no good.
They don't feel good. You were scared?
I enjoy myself.
Next ride. She said, "Thank you, Pop Pop." Pop Pop trying to turn it. Help Pop Pop turn it.
My favorite ride.
That is all that. Look at her. Shit. I wanted to go in there and then I walked away. I was scared. Bitch, hold on! Oh shit! Bitch, be high! Oh shit! Oh no! Get me down! Oh shit! They about to do this. You okay? You wanted to go on there, right? I don't even go on that jump. I went one time and never again. I'm good. You don't cry, Raylan. Don't cry. Oh my God. You alright, girl? Look at the other girls. They're not even crying. Are you serious? Alright, breathe.
It's so hard.
It's finished.
Not that hard.
You was really serious about to scream and cry?
It is not that hard.
You was just screaming too.
I wasn't.
But crying is crazy. Okay, Raylan.
It wasn't that hard.
You did good.
It
You
wasn't
did
that
good. You don't need to cry. Alright, good job.
Man, you better make sure your shoes don't fly off. We have ride play lane with my grandkids, my daughter. They're on the rocket. laying down. But we having a good time. It's lit. I've been on some rides.
We're leaving.
I didn't want us to leave, guys.
It's time to go. We gotta pick up Zaire from daycare.
We didn't even do that ride, the motorcycle one, and that one, and that one.
Because you can't get on everything. You're not that big, bro. But it's time to go. It's 3 o'clock. I gotta make it back to the city to pick up Zaire. We out of here. Why Pop is all the way over there? I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Mommy. Oh,
I don't care. Okay, bye.